In this video, we will see why do we have to create the line numbers in certain cases and how to do that in LaTeX. So these are some use cases which we can see on the screen for professional, academic, legal, and technical documents. You would like to have the line numbers on the margins, left side or right side. And here are some examples on your screen now. And this is how the line numbers are used in different scenarios. So let's get started, and this is how the document is going to look like. So we'll start with the LaTeX document, and you can see that I've created one which has line numbers on the left-hand side, and I've colored it also in red color. So we'll start from scratch, create from new template, and I'm going to create an article class, and I'm going to remove this. This is our preamble, where we put all our packages, etc. And then the document body where we create our text. So I'm going to use a lipsum package which just gives sample data for us. So I'm saying lipsum 1. So it's going to give us one paragraph in our document like this. I want 2 paragraphs now. So I'll say 1 and 2, 1-2. I get 2 paragraphs. And they're of different content as well. So content of 1 would be different from content of 2, as you can see. So now I'm going to make some changes. I've actually added a line number package, and then I've called / line numbers in my document body, and I get the line numbers on the left hand side. Let's see how we can customize it more. So I can say I want the line numbers on the right hand side. So \right would actually shift it to the right hand side. Let's see how we can change the color of this as well. So for changing the color, we would need another package in our preamble, and it's called X color. And then I'm making some changes to the font and then coloring it as red, and the size would be tiny. So renew command actually changes it. And now we have red colored line numbers. Let's see how we can change the default numbering. Normally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is okay, but I'm just showing you a way how you can change that also. For example, I wanted to make it a bit easier so that I can see the section number. So I have actually created it like this. So if you can see that I have different sections now, and the numbering in the section would be different. So you would, just by looking at the number, you would see which section it belongs to. You can see that very clearly, 1.29, 2.30, etc. So it's very evident that if somebody gives you the line number, you know which section it belongs to. Those of you who have never used LaTeX, this is how you can use it. On your local machine, you can install Micta Console, and then also the Text Studio package or application that gets you going. Or if you prefer online, you can use the Overleaf website. It allows free cloud-based LaTeX application. I hope you found this information useful and practical. Thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.